Swift has a rarely used operator called the ternary operator. It works with 3 values at once, which is where its name comes from. It checks a condition specified in the first value, and if it's true returns the second value, if it's false returns the third value. The ternary operator is a condition plus true or false blocks all in one, split up by a question mark and a colon, all of which makes it rather hard to read. Here's an example. Let first card equals 11, let second card equals 10. Print first card equals second card, question mark, cards are the same, colon, cards are different. That checks whether the 2 cards are the same, then prints cards are the same if the condition is true, or cards are different if it's false. We can write the same code using a regular condition by saying, if first card equals second card, then print cards are the same, else print cards are different.